first we will carry up all the clothes from here which are scattered here and there. Okay, let's start up. Now you'll split the clothes with these. Which clothes are these? Clothes are untidy, and these clothes are tidy. So we will carry up these clothes and take them away from the room. Wherever you keep your untidy clothes, you can keep them there. And then after this, we will fold all the clothes which are tidy and keep them in the cupboard, our cabinet. And after this, we will carry all these things which like this mat and pillow. We will take them out of the room. We'll take out these mats and take them out of the room. Now we are taking out this mat.
Yeah, holding with all the corners so that no mess will drop from it.
In the room. After this, now we are able to see the ground, and now we'll start clean up. We will do vacuum here. It's your choice. You can do vacuum and you can do broom, whatever you like. It's your choice. You can clean up with your own choice. Like I'm doing broom. I'm brooming up the room. Like I'm taking out this stuff. Like this bed sheet is now untidy. So I will take it and keep it in the washing machine. Now we'll broom up the room.
Cleaning the room is a difficult task. So the most difficult task is to clean
And
the
if
room.
you want, you can do your own vacuum. And after the room is broomed, we have taken out the out of the room. After this whole task, we will clean up the upper sections like this table. It's been very messy. Look what have I seen. I've seen a chopstick in my room.
Now I will arrange all the important things. We have changing the table sheet and replacing the table sheet with a new brand sheet so it will look beautiful.
You can keep books on your tables which you are studying.
We are keeping the books.
Here we have a table weight. You can paint your table weight by your own. I have painted it and I'm keeping it here. And if you want, you can keep a paper under your paper weight like it looks designer. You can hang accessories. I will decorate my almirah with keeping these soft toys and everything. Here I will place this mask. Here comes this. And according to you, whatever you want.
So friends, it has been cleaned. You can look all the things are arranged in the well manner and you can see all the things. It is so well cleaned. So in this way we can clean the room. If you are watching this video till now, clapping for you, and I appreciate you for watching the whole video. So please thumbs up this video, subscribe this channel, and share this video to all your friends so I can become a great vlogger and YouTuber. With the help of you, I can become a great YouTuber. So bye bye. Take care.